Hey, welcome back to Jumping Out of the Box. My name's Nilofer Erdevil. I'm with Spring to Innovation, and I'm back talking a little bit more about my skating journey. I've just started back into competing as an adult in figure skating. Well, I haven't competed yet, but I'm training. And a bunch of stuff has happened since the last time I recorded. And so the reason I'm talking about my journey out of my own comfort zone is because I think a lot of people are in a comfort zone, and it takes a little bit to get out of that comfort zone, whether it's personal or within the work environment. And I know how difficult it can be, and I'm sharing my journey as I'm jumping out of my comfort zone, out of my comfort box, as I start to get ready for a figure skating competition at the end of September. So the first week went really well. I found a coach. We were talking about a program. Second week was a little bit more bumpy, let's just say that way. And so I ended up being sick for a few days, so I couldn't train. And then we wanted to work on a program, and we wanted to work with music that I had worked with before. And so I was looking for an old solo, an old program that I had, and it was actually on a cassette. And so for those of you that don't know what a cassette is like, this is a cassette. So it's from 20 plus years ago. I actually had to borrow a neighbor's tape player in order to be able to listen to the music. And when I did listen to it, because the tape is so old, the cassette's so old, the music sound was distorted too, so we couldn't even use it. So because the music is from the musical West Side Story, we just used another piece of music from there and started choreography from there. So in a way, brand new music. And as we started working through the program, just trying to remember all of the steps that are involved, much like in our work environments. When we're working away, we're learning new things. Sometimes things don't work, or the way that things used to work don't work anymore. And so we have to figure out new ways of doing it, or using new applications to do what we used to be able to do. All part of the learning journey. So I'm going to share more and more with you as my journey continues. Thank you.